Hi everyone, I'm currently at Fresh International Market or Asian Market we call them. There are so many stuff that is originally from China. So I'm doing some shopping and get prepared for Chinese New Year. We're celebrating as a cohort for my MBA program. So yeah, I'm excited. So I just came back from Gee's College of Business or BIF. I picked up the bags from the administration and some wrapping paper. So tonight I'm going to bag all the treats and then I'll distribute them in the bags, the gift bags. And then on Friday, we're going to deliver these little bags. So far there are around 20 to 22 people who signed up, which is more than what we anticipated. I bought extra supplies for the treats, but I never expected it to, the number would go over 20. So we'll see.
Hi everyone! Just want to show you guys what I've been preparing for our MBA Lunar New Year celebration special delivery. It will happen tomorrow. We'll deliver all these bags to the folks who signed up before deadline. And here are some folks that have their families here in Champaign. Really want to make sure that their family gets the message, their family gets the treats. And yeah, so I'm pretty much done with each of the bags. I have some leftovers, so I'm gonna distribute some of the leftovers. But in these individual bags, we have a red envelope or 红包 that, of course, usually we have cash, but in China, but well, obviously we can't give out cash. So I wrote personal notes in Mandarin and with their names in Mandarin. So that's like very personal, a personal touch. Hope they will like it. We have a 菊花茶怎么说? We have a 菊花茶. It's chrysanthemum. Yeah, chrysanthemum tea drink. It's from Hong Kong and also I really love it. It's one of my favorites. And we have 脆脆沙怎么说? We have 脆脆沙. It's how do you say that? It's like it's like a chocolate cookie, chocolate treats, whatever. It's crispy. And we have milk tea. So asamu奶茶, I'm sure all my Chinese folks, you guys know, also really good. We have so many of these milk candies here, 旺仔牛奶糖. And we have 北京山楂汉堡. So 北京山楂汉堡. So it's from Beijing. It's like from my hometown. And it's 特产怎么说? Paw fruit. Oh, here. Paw fruit is a special fruit only grown in China. It is rich in vitamin C. According to Chinese traditional medicine, paw fruit is treated as a herbal health supplement for improving digestion and sleep. I know the fact that it improves your digestion. So if you try to eat like 1 or 2 before a meal, you will have a great meal. So definitely try it. It's sour and sweet. So this is one of my favorites. Everybody gets it. Everybody gets one. And we have pineapple cake. 凤梨酥. Oops. 凤梨酥. Also one of my favorites. Sometimes I eat it for breakfast. So yeah, that is. Ooh, and one special treat, 大白兔奶糖. So it's called White Rabbit. So it's called White Rabbit milk candy, but this is so famous. Like this is literally our childhood little treats, traditional and they're very tasty, very sticky though, so be careful. So yeah, basically these are all the people who signed up. We had so many people sign up this time, and I'm so happy that I get to spread out our celebration and the blessings to all of the people in my MBA cohort, and invite all of my friends to celebrate it with me. It means so much.
For lunch, we ordered dumplings, and we have vinegar from Asian market and potatoes. It's so good, guys. Happy New Year. Hi everyone. We are currently, my friend Lika and I are currently delivering our special delivery bags. We are so excited. Road trip, and she's driving. Thank you, driver. I'm a terrible driver, so we want to keep everyone safe. I will keep you guys updated. And we are currently at our second to last delivery, and it's been the most rewarding experience ever. Going to people's door and seeing their kids, seeing their dogs, and seeing them like our friends themselves. I mean, it's been the best experience. So with that, I want to say, if you're an international student studying in the USA and you have, for example, a class, a cohort of students from all over the world, please try to celebrate whatever holiday in your country is when that comes. Try to spread the words and then get people celebrate with you, because it's just the most amazing experience, and it is your responsibility to spread your culture and just celebrate our diversity and inclusion. I think that is something that we should all do. It's a joint effort.